Hey folks, we have another speaker announcement for the Workplace Ninja Summit 2026. This one is great. Stefan Beckman, he's at the MVP Summit together with Peter Dalmans, and Stefan sat down with McLoughlin, one of our pre-announced speakers for Baden this September. Neil is an MVP from the UK, specializing in Azure Virtual Desktop, Windows 365, the kind of content that we want to bring on the Ninja Summit. So have a look at the pre-interview of McLoughlin.
Hey, we are again here at the MVP Summit together with Neil. Neil, introduce yourself, please.
Yeah, my name's Neil McLoughlin. I'm an MVP from the UK. My specialization is Azure Virtual Desktop and Windows 365.
So Neil is one of our pre-announced speakers. We are really happy to have you again at the Workplace Ninja Summit in Switzerland. So what do you expected from the next Workplace Ninja Summit? What we can expect from your sessions?
Yeah. I mean, hopefully same as last year. So last year was my very first visit to the Workplace Ninja, and I absolutely loved it. It was one of the best conferences I've been to throughout the year. So yeah, this time hopefully more of the same, right? Lots of community interaction, lots of good sessions. So I'm going to be talking about newer features for Azure Virtual Desktop and Windows 365, and hopefully a bit of AVD hybrid stuff in there as well. So if you want to learn about what's changing like AVD Windows 365 and in the past 12 months, come to my session. And also if you want to learn more about AVD hybrid as well, session. So
AVD hybrid.
I'll hopefully be doing some hands-on demos.
That's cool.
Up as well. So yeah,
looking forward to the Workplace Ninja Summit in Switzerland.
So thanks, Stefan. McLoughlin confirmed for Baden this September. Azure Virtual Desktop, Windows 365, AVD, hybrid, hands-on demos. Can't wait. And as Neil said himself, last year was one of the best events of the year. We're going to make sure 2026 is no different. More announcements coming soon. Grab your tickets via the link in the description and see you in Baden. And don't forget to subscribe on our socials and on our podcast YouTube channels. Thank you.